Hey, welcome back to Undefined Therapy, and today we're going to be looking at 7 mental health apps. If you're wondering how you can get some mental health help at the fingertips right there on your phone, then keep on watching. As I just shared, I'm going to be showing you and talking about 7 mental health apps. As a therapist, I want to say that these do not, I repeat, do not replace meeting, talking with, and engaging with a person. There is something about meeting with another person, having very personalized, individualized opinions, thoughts, and ways for you to share that can't be replaced. But I know that some people, can't afford it. So it's helpful to have something at your fingertips to hold you off until you can get into that therapy office, or to just hold you off so that you don't crash and burn. I did play with them for a couple weeks so that I could see which ones I really liked. There are a lot out there. There are tons. By no means am I covering all of them, but I picked 7 of the most unique and the ones that I felt like I would actually use. So the first app is called What's Up. No, not the What's Up app, not the one you call with, but this is a mental health app. This app utilizes cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, and acceptance commitment therapy, or ACT, to help you better manage your mental health and deal with stress, depression, and anxiety. I was actually super impressed by the coping strategy. I just really loved it, and I was clicking through it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually some of the stuff that I would recommend. So I really enjoyed what this app had to offer. Number 2 is Mindshift, and specifically, this is an anxiety app. This is very much targeted to those who are struggling with anxiety. And those people that are actually struggling with anxiety, it really targets teens and young adults. What I loved about some of it is the tons of information that it gives about anxiety. I really like that it gives you some of the most frequently asked questions about anxiety for you to look at and kind of see what is some of the answers that people have. It gives you information. I really like that. Now, I also like that it lets you track situations. So there are certain situations that really bring about anxiety that are very common for most people. The next app is called Happify. I actually smile when I say that app, but this app is for depression. So it can help you with other things, especially if you're just looking for a way to improve your mood and work on just being happy, but it's specifically for depression. So for this app, it kind of puts you on a path toward achieving goals and working each day to achieve them, while sprinkling in some games here and there that you can also use. So for this app, it does let you track. So it sets you on a path to achieve goals that you're going toward. The next app is called Stigma, and this one has a great journaling component. If you're new to my channel, I absolutely love journaling. I think it's the best thing since sliced bread. This app also gives you the option for private or public. So when I'm using my username and password for this app, I got to choose. Private being, hey, I just want to keep all of my thoughts and my feelings to myself. But if you're someone who doesn't mind, or who actually benefits from people hearing you vent, hearing you talk about things, and also getting feedback from people, or just knowing that you're not alone, then this app can be really good because of the social networking aspect that it provides. The next app is Breathe to Relax. And it's very true by the name. You need to breathe to relax. Sometimes when we're very, very tense, you're not breathing. So blood can't circulate. You can't calm down. Your heart rate can't come down because you're not breathing. So this app is like your portable tool for stress management. So with this app, it lets you see demonstrations for breathing. It also gives you tips and allows you to learn about the importance of breathing and how it can be your gateway toward relaxing and dealing with stress in a healthy way. The next app is Yooper. Now, this is an overall mental health app. Some of the other ones were either targeted toward depression or anxiety, but this one is for overall mental health. It describes itself as a emotional health assistant. So with this app, I like the layout of it. I like that I could get information about thinking, about mood, about mindfulness. So if someone is just brand new to anything regarding therapy, it does give you the information. And so I really thought that that was really helpful, because it also gives the tools, but the information as well, so that you're not just doing something and not really understanding why you're doing it or how it's going to benefit you. And the OG of mental health apps is the Calm app. I actually mentioned this in one of my monthly favorites, but this app is very good for relaxation. I try to use this app as much as I can because it's very beneficial with targeting ways to just help you just woo-saw, whether that's through music, meditation, or it even has like also sleep stories, which is kind of just really cool. So if you like listening to a very calm and soothing voice or hear nature sounds or things to help you get into that deep sleep, then it's excellent for you. So that was 7 mental health apps right there. I hope you enjoyed this video and looking at some of the mental health apps. If you want me to go in depth with any of them, just ask me. I'll let you know how I use them, why I use them, and what they're good for, because they all have their nice little quirks and their good uses that I found for myself. But I want to also just share that if these apps are not doing it for you and you're needing more, definitely seek additional help. There are hotlines out there. There are online therapy, which I'll be doing videos on all of those as well. But know that help is out there. You don't have to be alone in your struggles. So if you found this video helpful, then I do encourage you to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe down below so that you never miss mental health content here on Undefined Therapy. I'm Rashawnda Carey. I'm a licensed therapist and I make mental health videos to help you create your own path toward healthiness, and I will see you next time.
Stay.